Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel Happy Vibes. Hope you are doing good. Today, I am making a very easy, quick yet delicious recipe, garlic lemon butter salmon. If you are a person who loves quick and easy cooking, then you will surely love this recipe. So without further delay, let's see what we need to prepare this dish of salmon.
Okay guys, so let's get started with the ingredients we need to make the garlic lemon butter salmon. So here I have taken some pieces of salmon. If you have salmon fillet or any portion of salmon will be fine. To make this recipe you need some lemon juice. This is freshly squeezed lemon juice. Some lemon slices. This is zest of a lemon. I have just prepared this. This is some chopped garlic, butter, salt, pepper, and I personally prefer dill to go with the salmon. If you do not have dill, you can skip this, or if you have some cilantro or parsley, that's also fine. So these are all the ingredients that I have prepared to make this recipe. I'll go ahead and show you how to prepare it.
So first, season the salmon with some salt and pepper on both sides. Gently massage the salmon pieces so that it gets evenly coated with the salt and pepper. Add about 3 teaspoons of unsalted butter to the skillet or any pan. When the butter starts to melt, add the garlic. This is about 4 cloves of garlic. I know it may sound a lot, but it's gonna give an amazing flavor to the sauce. Give it a good stir for about a minute or two. When you see the garlic is changing color, that is, it is turning golden brown, that's when you want to add in the salmon. So go ahead and add in the salmon to the skillet. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side. It's time to flip over the salmon and cook the other side for about 2 to 3 minutes. When the salmon is almost done, now add the lemon zest and lemon juice. Swirl the sauce and once done, immediately transfer the salmon to a serving plate. You don't want to overcook them. Do not waste the goodness in the skillet, cause you have all the flavor in there. So, drizzle all the remaining garlic lemon butter sauce over the salmon. And now, let's garnish it with some dill. Also, I'm topping it up with and you are absolutely ready to dig in. See how juicy it turned out? That's when you pan-sear the salmon. All the flavors from the garlic, butter and lemon just makes the dish super yummy. So try this super easy and delicious recipe of salmon today and enjoy it with some veggies of your choice. If you like my video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And stay connected for regular updates by hitting the bell icon. See you soon. Till then, don't forget to spread happy vibes around. Bye-bye.